Hey guys, today we are going to install Kali Linux virtually using VirtualBox. I will explain step-by-step process of installing Kali Linux, so watch till the end.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase.
The first step is download the Oracle VirtualBox. Open the web browser and search for Oracle VirtualBox download.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home.
After searching for Oracle VirtualBox download, click on this first link. And then find Windows installer and click on it, but download it as per your current running OS. The VirtualBox starts downloading shortly, so let's download Kali Linux ISO file. Open the web browser and search Get Kali.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back.
Web browser taking time because of slow internet speed. After searching, click on the first link.
Left the dusty.
And then click on this installer image.
Left the dusty roads.
And then scroll down and click on the download button on complete offline installation box, and then ISO file starts downloading shortly. It should take time as per internet speed. After putting ISO file in download, let's install VirtualBox, which is downloaded before. Run the downloaded VirtualBox exe file.
Left the dusty roads for the big city.
Install VirtualBox as per instructions given on screen.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home with a story to be told. I watched you leave with a tear in my eye.
After installing the VirtualBox, open it.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like.
After opening the VirtualBox, click on New button. Then enter the operating system name like Kali Linux.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams.
And then select the path where you want to store virtual Kali Linux. It needs 20 to 25 GB storage space.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come.
Select the ISO file of Kali Linux, which we have downloaded before.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home.
After selecting the ISO file, click on Next.
Left the dusty.
And then select size of memory and number of processor cores you want to give in Kali Linux, and select checkbox of Enable EFI, and then click on Next.
Left the dusty roads for the.
If you want to change the size of the disk size, then change it or leave it as it is, and then click on Next and Next.
Left the dusty roads.
Therefore, our virtual operating system is ready, so let's click on Start button to start the virtual Kali Linux. It might take some time to load virtual machine for first time.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold.
Our virtual machine is started, so let's install the Kali Linux in the virtual machine. Select the graphical install using keyboard, because while installing Kali Linux our mouse or trackpad does not work. If you found that tip helpful, smash the like button. It helps the channel reach more people. Select language of Kali Linux and click on Continue. And then select your country and click on Continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase.
And then select the keyboard, which do you want set as keyboard, and click on Continue, and then sit back and rest because it takes some time to do process.
Left the dusty roads for the big city.
Our process is done now. Enter the host name and click on Continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase.
Enter the domain name and click on Continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now.
Now we have to set up username and password, so first enter the full name of user and click on continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase.
Now, enter the account name or it might be filled automatically, and click on continue. Now, enter the password. If you want to see entered password, then click checkbox and enter the user password and click on continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home with a story to be told. I watched you leave with a tear in my eye, hoping your heart reaching for the sky.
This part of the installation might be a little bit tricky, so select guided use entire disk option and click on continue. Now select the storage partition and click on continue. Now select all file in one partition and click on continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city.
Now select finish partition and Word changes to disk and click on continue. Now select yes and click on continue.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer.
Now select and install the desktop software as per need and click on continue. Now sit back and wait for Linux to install. It might take time 20 minutes to 25 minutes.
Left the dusty road.
Now our Kali Linux installation is finished successfully. We just have to reboot the machine. Click on continue to reboot the Kali Linux.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home with a story to be told. I watched you leave with a tear in my eye, hoping your heart reaching for.
Our Linux is installed. Success 43y. Enter username and password and enjoy the Kali Linux.
Left the dusty roads for the big city chase. Once innocent dreams now shimmer like gold. You've come back home with a story to be told. I watched you leave with a tear in my eye, hoping your heart reaching for the sky. Now you're back with a shine in your eyes, a soul refined amidst the urban lights. From small town streets to the city bright, you came back different like a star in the night. Once we were small, now we're bigger dreams. In this love we're stronger than we've ever been. You walk these old roads with designer shoes, but inside I see the girl I always knew. We laugh about the years and how we've grown.